Hello, it's Nick. Today I will show you how to design a sliding text in Figma. This is a yellow color that I will use as a background color for my text container. Let's type our text. I will type a slightly longer sentence. Select the text sentence, copy it, and add the copy right after the sentence. So we have a text element with two identical sentences in it. Change the font weight to semi-bold and create a text container. I will give it a size of 192 by 48 and change its fill color to yellow. Now drag and drop the text into the frame. Position it at the left edge of the frame and align it vertically. Create a copy of this frame. Select text in a copy and press Shift left arrow key to slide it horizontally. Slide until you see a start of the second sentence, our copy. Position the first capital letter in the same place as in original frame. You don't have to be too precise. Just ensure that the text in the second frame visually looks almost the same as in the first frame. Rename the frames to 1 and 2. Select both frames and create a component set. Name the component Sliding Text. Switch to the prototype mode, select the first variant, and create a transition to the second variant. Transition will be triggered after delay of 1 millisecond. It will be a smart animate. Linear curve, because I want the text to move at a constant speed. And set duration 10,000 milliseconds. When choosing duration, always ensure that the text moves at the right speed. You need to maintain readability, so if the text moves too fast, users won't have good experience. Select the second variant and create a transition to the first variant. It will also be triggered after a delay of 1 millisecond, but the animation will be instant. Now it's time to test our design. Create a test frame. I will use the same size of the test frame as the size of my content container. Navigate to the Assets tab and drag and drop the component Sliding Text to the test frame. Select the test frame and click Preview. Looks good. Let me know what you think about sliding text effect in the comments. Thank you.